So I told myself I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm on the 15-minute mark. To show you guys how long I ride the trade, I take the sell from right here, so this is the 5-minute mark. So this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, 25. I literally ride this sell go all the way up while adding a whole lot of sells, and then now the market starts to come back down. So yeah, that's why it's good for have well money in your account and for just watch the market. Don't panic because it's gonna come down. Once you see it, like the market a test, and notice it test right here and then come down. Some know say they're gonna try and test back right here. So once we realize it's all green, once you realize it can push past the market, it's gonna go down, baby. It's gonna go down. Getting ready to close and go to bed. Just made $21. There you see it. $21. And I made $6 right here. Might let it go up a little bit more, depending on how the market's doing. Go up to $7. Or maybe I'll hold it. Waiting for the market to rise. So today I'm my brother Jam Instagram live and say if me show him overturn 3,000 US in a 10 gun, him give me the money for trade. Jam, so now 2 account right here, so this the $10 profit and this the $39. So far I make $115 and $17 over there, so